Hello, students. Let's read the problem. And it says, the cinema in town showed a new movie. The table shows the total number of people attending each day the movie was featured. What is the rate of change? So what is the first thing that I'm looking at the question? What is the first thing that I need to notice? Yes, I need to know what is it that rate of change means. Anybody remembers another word for rate of change? Another word for rate of change is actually slope. Very good. Okay, so if you remember, there is a formula that you guys can use for finding the slope of a line. Is that correct? And the formula, it's on your formula chart, and it says m equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Okay, where x and y, of course, is the coordinates from that problem. So let's look at the table that is given to you. Well, it says that on the first day, we have 2,100 attendees. On the third day, it was 1,800. On the fifth, 1,500. And on the seventh, 1,200. So the first thing that I want you to notice is, I want you to look at the number of attendees per day. What do you notice about the number? It looks like it's going lower and lower and lower. Is that right? So that should give you a clue about what's going to happen to the slope that we're going to find. So first of all, I'm going to choose 2 points from my table. I am going to choose 1 and 2,100. And I'm also going to choose 3 and 1,800. Okay, next we need to write labels, right? So this, of course, is X and this is Y. Since that's the first point, that label goes with a 1. So that's X of 1 and Y of 1. What about the second one? Well, this one is X of 2 and Y of 2. Very good. So one of the things that you're going to remember is that I always emphasize that it's very important for us to know who are my Y's, because my Y's are going to be on the numerator. Very good. So let's write down my numbers here. Who is Y sub 2? 1,800. Very good. Minus Y sub 1, which is 2,100. Notice how those two numbers are the ones from the one that I circled. Very good. Who's X of 2? 3, right? 3 minus 1. Very good. Now, do you remember that the slope is the same as m? Make sure that you guys remember that, please. Let's continue. So now I'm going to subtract my numerator. 1,800 minus 2,100. I do get a negative 300. Very good. On my denominator, it's 3 minus 1, which is a 2. If I simplify this, I will get negative 150, because a negative divided by a positive gives me a negative. Very good. So my answer for this will be m equals negative 150. And who is m? M is my slope. Very good. So now in terms of the problem, what can I say about the 150, the negative 150? What is that number representing? Okay, now remember the negative 150, it's coming from the number of attendees. Is that right? So we're gonna say that the slope represents the number of people or the number of attendees that is getting deducted from every single day. Is that correct? So we can say something like 150 is also, you will notice that I'm not going to write the negative sign, because we're going to replace the negative with another word. So we're going to say 150 less attendees. Is that right? every day. Very good.